This is Jacques Laveau. Jacques is an absolutely excellent person at writing plans of action and dealing with IP complaints. Jacques is also working a bit with our litigation team for when you get sued, when you get your account frozen by a temporary restraining order. And I want to talk to you today about just one of Jacques' many successes over the past week or so, and it has to do with drop shipping. So, client was drop shipping, product arrives at a consumer's doorstep, and the consumer mixes up the Amazon drop shipping product from a product the seller had ordered from Costco. So Jacques was able to identify this. I don't know how he identified the issue without communicating with the consumer, but Jacques made the argument. He put it in an extremely well-written plan of action: root cause, immediate corrective action, systemic changes to the business. Even though those arguments may not apply, that's what Amazon staff looks for. And he won reinstatement at the first swing at the plate. So Jacques, absolutely awesome job. I love having you on our team. He is just incredible. Now, if you are facing an account suspension, if you are facing a listing suspension, go to our website. Go to our website right now in another window while you're listening to the rest of this video. And right here in our blog, type in "you sold as new." Type in "inauthentic." Type in "temporary restraining order." We have more content than any website on earth for whatever issue you're facing. Also, for as low of a donation as $1 to the Ty Lewis Campbell Foundation, a foundation devoted to finding better treatments and a cure for pediatric cancers, you can download the Amazon Seller's Guide to Suspensions and Reinstatements. If you're facing intellectual property issues, or you're developing your own brand and you need to know about copyright law or trademark law, you don't have to go out and read tons of books that were meant for lawyers. You can just download our books that are meant for Amazon sellers. The Amazon Seller's Guide to Trademark Law, the Amazon Seller's Guide to Copyright Law. This takes the law pertaining to trademark or copyright and puts it into the information that you need as an Amazon seller. You're a private label seller? The Amazon Seller's Guide to Chinese Intellectual Property Law. There are vast differences between the intellectual property law in the United States and Europe and Australia when compared to China, where you're having your products made. So donate $1 to the Ty Lewis Campbell Foundation and get a copy of our book, and you'll have the information that you need to know to continue to thrive and grow in the age of Amazon. Last but not least, please like and subscribe and share this video. It's a huge compliment to our insanely awesome content team led by Kimmy Klein. Show the love, share, like, and subscribe.